Welcome to the SCTE Cisco IP Challenge. In this primer, we're going to review the gameplay and scoring, how the chat feature works, and how do you get these extra points, these bonus questions and tokens. Enjoy. Let's take a look at an overview of the gameplay. This is the main screen that you will see when you log into the IP Challenge once it has started. You may log in anytime during your week's gameplay to participate. A week's game starts on Sunday 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time to Saturday 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The red challenge question is where you'll begin answering your questions and start participating in the IP Challenge. The progress area displays a status update each time a participant answers a challenge question correctly, or if a participant takes control of the game board. During the IP Challenge, the Battle and Life tabs will not be used, as seen here on the right-hand side. A legend is provided. If you look in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you just click on the link and it'll provide the button legend. A gray, that means that this challenge question is not available to answer. Red, this is where you start. Green, you've already answered it. Purple means you're the leader and you can select anything you want in any category. Yellow, the current leader is working on this one. And blue means the challenge has been selected by the team lead for team members, and you won't be needing this one. The red button indicates that this challenge is available to answer. However, the gray button indicates that this challenge is not yet available to answer. What does it mean when there are no more red challenges? Well, your score must equal or be greater than the leader of the board to take control of the board. In the right-hand corner, Network Guru is the leader of the board. If your score is less than the leader of the board, you must wait for the leader to answer challenges. You may answer bonus challenges and grab tokens to increase your score to pass the leader. Once you pass the leader, you will have control of the board and be able to select any of the challenges. Once you've clicked on that red button, you open up a challenge window, and you are ready to work on your first challenge question. When you are ready to submit an answer, type it into the white area. Then select the Submit button. Now you'll see whether you got the question correct or incorrect. Now how this differs a little bit from regular Jeopardy is that you can continue answering a challenge until you get it correct. And this is without a point penalty being assessed to your score. Now the green buttons indicate that you have successfully answered a question. The purple buttons indicate that you are the leader of the board and you can select any challenge from any category. However, once you select a challenge, you will not be able to cancel out of it, and you will either need to answer the challenge or be surpassed as the leader of the board in order to be released from the leading challenge. The yellow button indicates the leader of the board is currently working on this challenge and is available to all participants for selection. If you were the leader of the board and another participant surpasses or matches your point value, you'll receive a message alerting you the leadership has changed. This will also release you from leading the challenge and return back to the board. The standings area is where your display name and score will appear. The scores are arranged so that the current leader of the board is listed at the top. In this case, the Network Guru is leading the board. Scores are calculated from the face value of the IP Challenge questions. Bonus challenges and tokens. Bonus and tokens will be reviewed shortly. And once you've answered all the challenges on the board, it will look similar to the one that's displayed here. Everything will be in green. You've completed all the categories. Even though you have no regular challenges to pursue here on the board, you may continue to answer bonus challenges. Now those bonus challenges are going to appear in the right-hand corner under the Life button. And you may also submit tokens. Now these bonus challenges are worth 100 points. And the tokens are also worth points, 50 points. Now you can continue doing this until the event timer at the top right-hand corner underneath the Cisco logo returns to all zeros. Now the winner is determined by the top score and the completion timestamp. Now let's focus our attention on chat And how do I get support? There is a chat feature in the game. Selecting the Chat tab allows you to send a message to all participants that are logged into the IP challenge. If a participant is not logged in, they will be able to get a chance to see the message once they've logged in to join the challenge. So on the right-hand side, currently we just have the Network Guru. Other participants that would be logged in would have a little green icon next to them. So to send a message, all you have to do is type the message into the white box here on the left-hand side, then click Send to send the message to all participants. The Settings tab is used to change your online status that is displayed in the Standings area. So over on the left-hand side, you see a black button that you can click and change your update status. You have Online, Busy, or Invisible. There's a symbol that will appear on the right-hand side of the screen showing your status. So if you have a green status, that means you're online. A yellow status, you're offline. An orange status, you're busy. A purple status appears to you when you've changed your status to invisible. To all other participants, your status will appear yellow. Now clicking on the icon on the right-hand side next to a participant's name, in this case the Network Guru, if I click on that green icon, that will open up the chat feature on the left-hand side, and I'm just chatting with a private message to Network Guru. And this is just an exchange between you and the selected participant. If you log in and see a number listed next to your name, it means that this participant has sent you messages that you have not read yet. Click on their green icon and we'll open up the chat board allowing you to read and respond to messaging. Clicking on the moderator will give you a direct link to chat with the moderator of the event. Use this if you require any technical assistance during the course of your IP challenge gameplay. Clicking on everyone opens a chat box to allow sending a message to all participants on the left-hand side. Here is where you would click on the white box and provide messaging to the group. For questions related to gameplay or login questions, you can also contact support@games-inc.com using your favorite email client. Now, what fun would the game be if you didn't have the opportunity to earn bonus points? Let's see how a participant can rack up some points answering bonus questions and providing token messages. If you see the word bonus listed in this block that I'm pointing to, you have the opportunity to gain an additional 100 points by successfully answering the bonus challenge question. Check back often as the bonus questions appear at various intervals. A bonus challenge will appear as a red link, and the participants must click on the bonus during the activation period before the bonus expires. The first person to complete the bonus will get the points. Now, if you see a yellow link with a 10-digit list of characters in the bonus box, copy and paste this text into the token box, and then click Go. This will give you an extra 50 points for doing virtually nothing. So the more time you spend in the virtual qualifier, the more points you can earn via token or the bonus questions. Check back often as these tokens appear periodically and are only available for a few minutes at a time. Only the first person to complete the token will get the points. The top 3 winners from each game will be invited to compete in the live IP challenge at this year's SCTE Cable Tech Expo at the Georgia World Congress Center on November 17th in Atlanta. Please review the rest of the website, www.scte.org/IP, for information about the prizes. Good luck, everyone.